Okay, so here we want to differentiate the function f of y, which is equal to y times the natural log of 1 plus e to the y. So what we want to do is we want to be able to then use the product rule since we have two things that we need to multiply this by. So in order to find the derivative of this function, we have f prime of y. So we know that we're going to have y times the derivative of the natural log of 1 plus e to the y, which is going to be 1 over 1 plus e to the y, and then times the derivative of what's inside, which is e to the y, and then plus the derivative of y, so the derivative of y is 1, plus times the natural log of 1 plus e to the y. So therefore, we have f prime of y, which is equal to, in the numerator, y times 1 times e to the y is y e to the y over 1 plus e to the y plus 1 times the natural log of 1 plus e to the y, which is the natural log of 1 plus e to the y. And therefore, that is our derivative of the function. If we wanted to rewrite this with the common denominator, we can go a little further, and this would be f prime of y, and we would have a common denominator of 1 plus e to the y over 1 plus e to the y. So we'd have to multiply this by 1, so y e to the y times 1 is y e to the y, and then if the denominator here is 1, we'd have to multiply this by 1 plus e to the y, which means we multiply this by 1 plus e to the y. So we end up getting the natural log of 1 plus e to the y times 1 plus e to the y. And so if we wanted to write this as one term, then we would say that f prime of y is going to equal y e to the y plus the natural log of 1 plus e to the y times 1 plus e to the y all over the common denominator of 1 plus e to the y. And therefore, that is the derivative of that function.